All right, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to play Pegaxy. I'm going to show you how you can play virtually for free and just kind of test it out and see if it's something that you want to do. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to have a DeFi wallet like Metamask installed on your browser. Okay. Now it comes with the default in Ethereum. That's what you'll typically have in the Ethereum chain. And so you need to actually add the Polygon chain on. Okay, Polygon is MATIC. You'll also need a little bit of MATIC to just pay for gas fees and things like that. However, it is very inexpensive, not like Ethereum gas fees. So what you want to do is I'll link this article in the description. You want to go and install your MetaMask. Once you've set that up, you will basically just go to the settings here and you will add a new network. Okay, so just click the add network button. I've already done it. And then you will fill these in on the details and then click save. Okay, so it'll look like that. You click save, then you'll have MATIC on your MetaMask. So when you first connect to Pegaxy, you're going to need to connect and sign in with your MetaMask account, and it will ask you, it'll say you don't have any Pegas. So you can go to the marketplace or you can go to renting. So first we'll look at the marketplace. You can look at the different Pegas here. And if you're going to buy Pegas, you'll need to buy it in Tether. So you will move MATIC over to your MetaMask wallet, send it to your MetaMask address, which would be here. Okay, it's the same address for your Ethereum or your MetaMask. You'll notice when I switch back, it's going to be the same. Same with Smart Chain. Smart Chain is Binance. So you want to be on Polygon and you want to send to this address some MATIC. Okay, you don't need very much. Probably, 2 MATIC would be plenty to get started, unless of course you want to actually buy some Pegas, in which case the easiest way is to send it over in MATIC and then swap. So swap some of your MATIC for some USDT, and you'd swap that in the game, and then you could actually buy one of these Pegas. Okay, so you can sort by price low to high. You can look at just the auctions, just the fixed price. And the other important one to look at is what type of Pega it is. So the Pacers earn the least. Rare is still pretty accessible, doesn't cost too much, and your earnings will be significantly higher. So you see that right now we have a couple Pegas right here, and you can bid on them. So you want to look at the win rate, but also look if it's statistically significant. Right here, you'll see 246 races. So that is pretty significantly, statistically significant. Some of them might not be. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Or if you want to just dip your toe in the water, you can get into renting. And there's 2 ways you can pay the rent fee. You can pay with Pegaxy Stone for a certain amount of time. So this one is renting this for 1 month for 7 Pegaxy Stone. And of course, you can just swap your MATIC into Pegaxy Stone and see if that makes sense for you. The other thing that you can do here is you can just rent where it says there's a certain amount of percent for you. Okay, so you'll either pay with upfront cryptocurrency of Pegaxy Stone, or you can select one like this that says 50% of you. And as you can see, this one has not had any race yet. And so what you would do is if you wanted to race this, then you could rent it here and click rent. And then you need to approve this. And there is a small amount of MATIC. This is really inconsequential. Let's just look at how much this would be on CoinGecko, and we'll pull up Polygon, and so 0.019 cents. Okay, so not too much at all in terms of renting that. Now you notice that it's just kind of frozen here because I haven't actually approved that. So I'm going to click confirm, and then it's going to approve this. Now this is a little bit of a brand new horse, so I don't know what it's going to be, but it will allow you to start racing. And it does take some time for these transactions to go through because they have to be verified on the blockchain and all of that good stuff. So that actually, the verification expired. Let's see if we can refresh that and try again. So I'm going to click rent, verification, rent. Okay, so it's actually rented. This means someone else rented it in the meantime while I was talking. But basically that's what you do. And let's just rent one right here just so we can give you a full demonstration on how it works. So here's the gas fees. Okay, you're going to confirm that. And then once you confirm that, it will be in your racing tab after this transaction goes through. So I'm going to earn 30% of whatever this Pega earns on the rewards. And the top 3 placing Pegas in each race will earn different rewards. Okay, they'll earn the same amount for the type of Pega. So, but it varies based on which type you're racing. So if you're racing Pacers, which is the lowest, most common form of Pega, you'll earn the least Vigorus token. And if you're racing a rare Pega, then you'll earn a little bit more per win. So as you can see, sometimes this takes a while on the blockchain. Verification expired. That's just part of dealing with the blockchain, and I suspect that it might be taken. But anyhow, what you'll do is once you have a Pega, you'll click racing, pick Pega, and you just start the race. At this point, there's nothing that you need to do. Okay, you don't even need to watch the rest of the race. You just need to sign into the race here, and then it's done. Okay, now sometimes it will say race full, and then you need to it'll click find another race, and because it matches you with 15 other live people that are signing in to race in that category. And so you can see right here we're in silver, gold, bronze. It just kind of changes color based on what position that you are in, and this will automatically go into your assets here. So it looks like we've won this race, which is great. And you'll see here the prize pool, what will win. So here I am, 126 Vigorus tokens, and so I'll win the percentage of that I agreed to in the renting contract. So the other thing with renting is once the contract is done, or the other person takes it back, that Pega will just disappear. So you can just race it. They have a certain amount of energy per 24 hours. The energy regenerates 1 energy every hour, up to a maximum of 25. So as you can see here, this Pega has 21 available energies of 25, and so we can just race it again, and that's how it goes. Anyhow, that's how you get started with Pegaxy. It shouldn't cost you more than here, find another match. Shouldn't cost you more than 2 MATIC to get started, and that will give you plenty of room to do those transaction fees. And just kind of see if it's a game that you want to play. Once you're done, you can claim your tokens under the My Assets, and then you're good to go. So that's how to get started with Pegaxy. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think of this game and what NFT game you are most excited about, because I would love to check that out in my next video.